Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to make another protein latte. I don't know what to call it yet. Chocolate protein latte or whatever. So I'm going to put together my ingredients in this cup and I'm going to shake it up, I'm going to mix it good, and then I'm going to pour it. I'm going to pause right now and get all of my other material. All right, here we go. So this video is probably going to be like a little messy in comparison to the other ones. Not that I'm the best at presentation anyway, but it's like 2:01, and I've been intermittent fasting since maybe 8 p.m.-ish last night. I've just had water, I had my sea moss and nothing else. So I'm going to get some caffeine in and some protein at the same time. And so, yeah, I'm not gonna do much about the presentation today. Let's just get to it. By the way, how are you guys doing today? Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me pour a little bit of water. Not too much. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So the salt is for this part. Nescafe is pretty strong. I'm just gonna pour some in my hand and just, not a whole lot. Don't go crazy with it. Just a little bit. This looks safe, right? That's a safe amount. I want to add a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. I want just enough, but I don't want to go insane or anything. All right, what's next? What's next? What's next? I added my coffee. Let me add a little bit of this. This is unflavored, but of course you guys know that if you've seen the other videos, and if you haven't, it's unflavored. I need to get more. Pretty much I'm just low on all of my coffee supplies, and I'm using the rest of it. This, okay, let me show you guys. This is so good, but you have to be careful because there's sugar in it. I try not to go so hard in the paint when it comes to sugar, but it does taste good. I mean, just one more. But I know I'm gonna end up topping everything off with the rest of this. So I want it to be like the perfect balance. And while I'm saying that, let me just not make it difficult for myself. I'm just gonna add the rest of it. Shake it up to make it foamy. Then just, there we go. Perfect. All right, push that to the side. Go ahead and mix this up. Probably not the most pleasing sound, so I'm going to pause this. I want to go for more of an ASMR vibe, but that's not going to be the route today. I just want to get some content out because I do want to post regularly, like at least 2 to 3 days a week, and mostly, Monday through Friday. Is this okay? It's fine. Just pour it in, girl. Pour it in. Pour it in. Ooh, that's thick. I don't know. I might need to add some more water to this. That's too thick. So let me shake up some more water. rest of this milk. Get rid of it. Start off anew. Perfect. And you know what? Just in case, I'm going to add this. It's elderberry syrup, and it has sea moss and lion's mane in it. I'm gonna drizzle some on the top. That should be good. And for whatever reason, I like adding a little bit of some. I was gonna say cinnamon. What, girl? What? Cinnamon. I'm going to add some cinnamon. I would say that I'm becoming more comfortable in front of camera, but you guys haven't seen my face. So is it really comfort? Is it really? And that looks pretty good. Ooh, I like how the syrup is like dripping. And you know what? Let's just go for it. I'm gonna add some more. Good enough. Okay. And voila, my non-perfect chocolate protein latte. Ta-da! Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.